What's up, folks? It's me again in the middle of the woods as usual. I just wanted to say that I upgraded a little while back to 35-inch BFG KO2 tires, and they fit the F250 gasser no problem. It's no lift, and of course they look really good. But yep, just a stalker with some 35-inch BFG KO2s on it. They fit just fine. They never rub nothing. They're a little round, so they wear in the middle faster than the edges. See what I'm saying? But that's just how it is with these. I'm putting the big old 35-inch tires on these little tiny rims. So, yeah, BFG KO2 35-inch on the XL Ford F250. Works perfect. No rubbing. Works just fine. I get up here and go climbing just about every day, so works good. 35 inchers BFG KO2s, that's the way to go.